How much chia seeds should be consumed to gain weight?
Hello and welcome to our discussion on how to use chia seeds for weight gain. Chia seeds are a popular health food packed with nutrients, but how can they help with weight gain? And most importantly, how much should you consume for this purpose? Let's find out.
What are chia seeds?
Chia seeds are tiny black seeds from the plant Salvia hispanica. They're native to Central and South America, and were a staple in the diets of ancient Mayans and Aztecs. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, calcium, and various antioxidants, making them a powerhouse of nutrients.
Can chia seeds help with weight gain?
While chia seeds are often used as part of weight loss diets due to their ability to expand in the stomach and promote satiety, they can also assist in weight gain. The key is in how they are consumed and in what quantities. Chia seeds are a rich source of healthy fats and protein. This combination, along with their fiber content, can help you gain weight if you're underweight or trying to build muscle, as these nutrients are essential for your body to repair and build tissues.
How much chia seeds should you consume to gain weight?
Determining the right amount of chia seeds to consume for weight gain can depend on various factors, such as your current weight, overall health, and dietary habits. However, a good starting point might be about 2 tablespoons per day. This provides you with a healthy dose of the nutrients in chia seeds without overwhelming your diet. Remember, when aiming for weight gain, it's important to increase your overall caloric intake in a healthy and balanced way. Adding chia seeds to your diet can be a part of this strategy, but make sure you're also consuming a variety of other nutrient-dense foods.
How to incorporate chia seeds into your diet?
You can easily add chia seeds to your diet by sprinkling them over salads, mixing them into yogurt, adding them to smoothies, or making chia pudding. If you prefer, you can also soak them in water or milk for about 15 to 20 minutes before eating. This will make the seeds expand and become a gel-like consistency, which some people find easier to digest. In conclusion, chia seeds can be a beneficial addition to your diet if you're trying to gain weight. Remember to start with about 2 tablespoons per day and increase your intake gradually if needed. As always, it's best to consult a nutritionist or a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. We hope this information has been helpful and encourage you to explore the many health benefits of chia seeds. Enjoy your journey to healthy weight gain.